Hello. Hello. Everyone, please be seated. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of Moneyboxx Finance Limited, I am Disha Khattar, your host this morning. I extend a warm welcome to each one of you. Today is not just another corporate calendar day. It is a day that marks a new milestone in the journey of Moneyboxx Finance Limited as the company now enters into the prestigious Stock Exchange of India. It really gives me an immense pleasure to have you all here today for the listing ceremony of equity shares of Moneyboxx Finance Limited on National Stock Exchange of India Limited. Before moving ahead, just a small introduction about Moneyboxx Finance Limited. Moneyboxx was founded on a very simple yet powerful belief. Credit must reach those who create value at the grassroots but remain underserved. With the aim of driving financial inclusion and providing tech-driven and transparent financing to underserved micro and small enterprises in rural and semi-urban India, it started its lending operations by opening its first branch in Rajasthan in February 2019. And since then, the company has successfully scaled up its operation by opening its branches in more than 160 cities across 12 states in India. Beyond financial metrics, Moneyboxx places a very strong emphasis on the financial inclusion part, such as empowering women entrepreneurs, supporting first-time borrowers, and helping building sustainable livelihoods. Moneyboxx is not just growing, it is growing with a purpose. By serving the grassroots economy, embracing technology, and sticking to the strong foundational values, Moneyboxx is well on its way to becoming a leading impact-focused NBFC in India. By listing on National Stock Exchange today, Moneyboxx sets its course for a new world of opportunity. Opportunity for deeper financial inclusion, greater scale, sustainable growth, and shared value. Ladies and gentlemen, we extend our heartfelt congratulations to the investors, leadership, employees, and all relevant stakeholders of the company. To begin with, we have with us here today the leadership team from Moneyboxx Finance Limited, along with the NSE officials, and let us all welcome them with a bouquet of flowers. May I please call on stage Mr. Jaswant Jain, Chief Manager, NSE. Huge round of applause, please. Thank you, sir. Mr. Deepak Agarwal, co-founder and co-CEO of Moneyboxx Finance. Thank you, sir. Mr. Mayur Modi, co-founder and co-CEO of Moneyboxx Finance. Thank you, sir. Mr. Uma Shankar Paliwal, chairperson and independent director, Moneyboxx Finance. Thank you, sir. Mr. Praveen Gupta, our key investors since inception. Thank you, sir. Mr. Lalit Sharma, compliance officer, Moneyboxx. Thank you everyone for gracing your presence on this special occasion. We would now commence this auspicious occasion with the lighting of the lamp, for which I request our co-founders and all other dignitaries to light the ceremonial lamp. Please come up on stage, co-founders and all other dignitaries. A huge round of applause, everyone. Congratulations, everyone. Thank you, everyone. This act of lighting a lamp is considered auspicious and is often performed at the start of any important event or ceremony to ensure success and positive energy. So, with a huge round of applause, I would now like to invite Mr. Deepak Agarwal, co-founder Moneyboxx, to say a few words on this special occasion. Please, sir.
It's a great pleasure. Good morning, everyone. It is a moment of immense pride and purpose as we celebrate a major milestone in our journey, the listing of Moneyboxx Finance Limited on National Stock Exchange of India. And we are thankful to NSE for providing this opportunity to us. This is more than a financial event, it is a reaffirmation of our mission. Can we build a lending institution that truly serves Bharat with dignity, discipline, and impact? India's 60 million MSMEs contribute nearly 30% of our GDP, yet so many remain excluded from formal credit. At Moneyboxx, we saw this not just as a market gap, but as a human opportunity to empower small entrepreneurs with productive credit and capacity building support. Today, with over 160 branches, lakhs of lives impacted, and nearly 1,000 crore in asset under management, we are proud to say we are just getting started. Our journey is defined not just by financial goals, but by stories. Women opening shops, farmers expanding their herds, traders rebuilding their tough season. Profitability matters, but for us, purpose is non negotiable. We use technology, trust, and deep empathy to serve the long underserved, creating value for our stakeholders while staying true to profit with purpose, the foundation of everything we do. Every day we witness a remarkable truth. Bharat is not just a country, it is an idea, a symbol of resilience, strength, and values. We are powered by Bharat spirits. Its strength becomes our strength. This is about more than financial inclusion. It's nation building at grassroots level. In the evolving NBFC ecosystem, Moneyboxx stands out as a high impact, purpose driven lender focused on rural and semi urban MSME, a segment still underserved by traditional banks and larger NBFCs. We are committed to being the most impactful organization where credit meets dignity and scale meets purpose. Already listed on BSE, our step into the NSE marks greater transparency, deeper visibility, and stronger price discovery. This moves will help us attract long-term, values-aligned investors who understand both our numbers and our mission. The trust of all stakeholders continues to validate our business, asset quality, and social impact. Our foundation is strong with highly experienced board, respected independent directors, and a mission-driven leadership team deeply committed to inclusion and impact. We recognize that the past year has brought significant headwinds to the sector, particularly due to stress in MFI segment. Moneyboxx too felt these challenges. However, a strategic pivot towards secure lending in higher ticket segment has set us firmly on the path of strong recovery. As we reflect on these times, I am reminded of a quote that truly resonates for the sector today from Charlie Munger. The depression made me cautious, but it also made me optimistic. Always respect hardship and always believe in eventual recovery. That's not a contradiction, it's a balance. At Moneyboxx, we embody that balance. We respect the hardships and acknowledge the challenges faced in the field, markets, and the broader system. But our belief in resilience, recovery, and meaningful growth remains unwavering. Thank you, our investors, banking partners, regulators, and above all, our incredible team, especially those working in the field every single day. Let's continue making the difference. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much, sir, for your time and valuable insights. Now, I may please welcome Mr. Mayur Modi, co-founder, Moneyboxx, to say a few words on this special occasion.
Hello. Thank you, Disha. Thanks, Deepak. Thank you, all the distinguished guests, colleagues, family, and friends. It's my great honor and immense pride to stand before you today on this very special occasion, the listing of Moneyboxx Finance on the National Stock Exchange. Few minutes cannot capture the years of hard work, the late nights, the small victories, and the difficult lessons that has brought us to this moment. Moneyboxx began with a very simple but a powerful idea that access to responsible, affordable finance can change lives. We set out to build a company that would serve the real Bharat, small businesses, micro entrepreneurs, and individuals who are often underserved by the traditional channels. Along the way, we focused on disciplined credit practices, strong risk governance, technology that simplifies customer experiences, and a people-first culture that values integrity and service. Today's listing is not an endpoint. It's a validation of that idea and a new beginning. Listing on the NSE brings us new opportunities, access to broader market, deeper market recognition, and a platform to scale our impact faster. But it also brings greater responsibilities to our shareholders, to regulators, to customers, and the communities to serve. We'll wholeheartedly accept that responsibility today. This milestone is a result of the teamwork at every level. To our employees across branches and functions, you are the backbone of this company. To our board of directors and senior management, your guidance, discipline, and long-term thinking have shaped a strong governance foundation. To our investors, those who believed early, and those joining us now from the capital markets, thank you for your trust. To our customers and the communities to be served, you are our true north. Every loan, every financial solution we craft is meant to empower livelihood, enable growth, and create economic dignity. Let me also emphasize our commitment to corporate social responsibility. Profitability and purpose must travel together. We will continue initiatives that promote financial literacy, support livelihoods, and contribute to the broader social fabric. As we ring the bell today, we celebrate more than a listing. We celebrate trust, resilience, and the belief that finance done right can be a force for good. I just want to end with a quote from the great investor, Mr. Benjamin Graham, who famously said that stock market is a voting machine in the short run, but a weighing machine in the long run. As entrepreneurs, founders, and business people, our job is to create a very heavy company. Believe me, guys, at Moneyboxx, we are doing exactly that. That when it is weighed, it is a very heavy company in the long run. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Now, may I please welcome Mr. Praveen Gupta, one of our key investors since inception, to share a few words on this occasion.
Thanks, Mayur. Welcome, everyone, and thank you, everyone, for your efforts because of which we are here. So, see, we are a country with aspiring dreams, and Moneyboxx, the whole idea of Moneyboxx is nothing but to serve those dreams. We believe in growing together, and that's why we not only finance, but we provide an ecosystem so that our customers grow together. In the period of Amrit Kal, our entrepreneurs are wanting to fly, and it's our endeavor that no such dream remains unfulfilled due to lack of finance. When Moneyboxx grow, Bharat grow. Let me repeat. When Moneyboxx grow, Bharat grow. And I wish that when Bharat becomes a developed nation, Moneyboxx is able to play its role. And we again gather here when the company enters into the leading index of the country. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir, for your thoughtful input. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the moment we all have been eagerly waiting for, the bell ringing ceremony. May I please invite the dignitaries to gather around the stage, around the bell, please. All the co-founders and other dignitaries, please gather around the bell. As the timer strikes 10, please join in the countdown with as much enthusiasm as you can. Yeah. 9:15 is the time. We have 2 minutes to go. Till then, we can have photo shoot of the dignitaries. Many congratulations, everyone. Hmm. 50 seconds to go. Again, everyone, as the timer strikes 10, please join in the countdown with as much enthusiasm as you can. 25 seconds to go. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Many congratulations, everyone. Congratulations. And with that, MoneyBoxx Finance is now officially listed on the National Stock Exchange of India Limited. A huge round of applause, everyone. It is indeed a proud moment for the entire team. We once again extend our heartful congratulations to the leadership, stakeholders, and everyone who made this possible. I request everyone to please be seated apart. You can take the photographs after that, please. Yeah. Thank you, everyone. Further, I may please call upon stage Mr. Jaswant Jain, Chief Manager NSE, to address us on this momentous occasion.
Shri Shri Deepak Agrawal ji, co-founder Moneyboxx Financials, Shri Modi ji, co-founder Moneyboxx Finance, Shri Uma Shankar ji Padiwal, Chairman and Independent Director Moneyboxx Finance, board members, employees, family members, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good morning and warm welcome to all of you on the opening bell ringing ceremony of MoneyBoxx Finance Limited. NSE is proud to welcome MoneyBoxx Finance Limited in our family of listed corporates, and this will be 2881th company to list with NSE. India is fourth largest capital market in the world. Market capitalization of NSE listed company has grown 125 times since NSE started its operations in 1994, which stands about 457 lakh crores and 5.1 trillion USD trillion. At NSE, our commitment has been to provide a platform that enables companies to grow, investors to participate in that growth, and India's economy to thrive. In 30 years, NSE has been a catalyst to the growth story of India, enabling economic growth through fund mobilization, capital formation, wealth creation, and job creation. In calendar 24, NSE emerged among the global leaders in IPO fund mobilization. Further, in FY25, NSE facilitated a record 242 IPOs, collectively raising 1.7 lakh crores, which is equivalent to USD 20 billion. This is highest in any financial year. In current fiscal year, 70 company has raised around 1 lakh crores through IPOs on the main board. NSE today serves 12 crores unique investors, holdings over 23.5 crores investors accounts, spanning 99.85 of all PIN codes in the country. I congratulate the entire team of MoneyBoxx Finance Limited and other parties associated for this accomplishment. Today's listing marks the beginning of the strong partnership between NSE and MoneyBoxx Finance Limited. We look forward to support you in your continued growth and future fund raising endeavors. May your journey at NSE be impactful, prosperous, and enduring. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, sir. We will now proceed with the exchange of mementos. Let these mementos serve as lasting reminder of today's milestone, of the dedication, perseverance, and partnership that made it possible. To begin with, we invite NSE official to present a memento to MoneyBoxx Finance co-founders, marking the successful listing and the beginning of a valued partnership with the exchange. I request Mr. Jaswant Jain, NSE, Chief Manager NSE, to present a listing certificate, listing bell, and proud to be listed badges to Mr. Deepak Agarwal and Mr. Mayur Modi, co-founders. Many congratulations, MoneyBoxx team. Thank you so much. Now I request MoneyBoxx co-founders, please be on stage, to present a memento to NSC official as a gesture of appreciation for their unwavering support and partnership in this listing journey. A huge round of applause, everyone. Thank you for joining us on stage and doing us the honors. To conclude, may I now please invite Mr. Uma Shankar Paliwal, Chairperson and Independent Director of MoneyBoxx Finance Limited, to share a few words on this special occasion.
Thank you, Disha. A very good morning and a grand listing on the National Stock Exchange, esteemed guests, respected members of the NSE, investors, partners, colleagues, and dear friends. It indeed is a great journey, and if I can recollect, 7 years ago, when we started with this process, I think it's just another milestone. And I would like to thank all of you who are a part of the team here, those who have been with the journey with us, and those who are going to join us in the later course as we grow and progress. What's more important is that the NSE listing is no doubt a momentous event, but it's also the beginning of a journey which all of us have embarked today. And I am very sure that in the times to come, we would be going from listing from where we had on the premier institute in the country to many more to come in the continents to be. I would like to thank all, and especially to begin with in our journey has been the dedicated staff who worked with all the passion, especially during the COVID and also the trying times. In addition to that, the investors who have the unwavering credibility and faith and confidence in our vision that we are going to be there and we are going to serve the underserved and all those who have been either new to credit or who are going to be there and then in the financial inclusion policies of the government and of the Reserve Bank. In addition to that, I would like to thank, last but not the least, the promoters who had a vision, who have worked, I don't know whether it is 24 hours or more than that, and secondly, that they had a bold ambition of being the leader of choice, making the MoneyBoxx Limited. As we move ahead, I would like to thank on behalf of the Board of Directors of MoneyBoxx Finance Limited. What we have emphasized and what we'll continue to do is good corporate governance with the highest levels, which we will try to surpass every day. Number two is the accountability, transparency, and the financial and ethical norms which are expected of us, and we would be surprising them every day in adhering to them. As we move ahead, we are in a journey where the financial inclusion, the micro sector activities, and also with all of us present here in such a large numbers, I can see that we are technically the hall full, and that also emphasizes the confidence going forward, which we intend to do with three things. We have been doing in all facets of our life: innovation, ideas, corporate governance, and they will continue to be the milestones and the pillars with which the founders have done it, the promoters have done it, the staff has done it, the investors have done it, and now I think with the general public being listed on the Premier Institute of the Stock Exchange of NSE, where everyone will have an opportunity to invest even with a single share. So I think that's a momentous event. I would like to thank all of you, and especially all those who are present and those who are not present here also, and all the future investors who would now be investing on our company. And we can assure you on behalf of all of us present in the company that we will dream big, we will execute it with excellence, and we will be proud to create the value for all the stakeholders. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your special words. It means a lot to us. And with that, we come to the end of today's listing ceremony. Now we are officially proud to be listed on NSE. On behalf of MoneyBoxx Finance Limited, I would like to thank our host, the National Stock Exchange of India, our leadership, our employees, and everyone present here for making this event so much memorable. Thank you all once again, and many, many congratulations to everyone here. Now please gather in the beside room for the snacks. Thank you so much.